This aisle has over 200 pasta options. Most of them are fine, but about 20% of them are quietly stealing your money and not filling you up. Today I'm showing you the 8 pasta traps I see people fall for constantly, and the 5 simple picks that'll save you money and actually keep you full. Let's fix your pasta game. Welcome to Grocery Uncovered, where we make grocery decisions simple. What to avoid, what to buy instead, and why. Quick disclaimer, this isn't medical advice. I'm just a guy who got tired of overpaying for disappointing pasta. If you have specific dietary needs, talk to your doctor. For everyone else, let's save some money. Here's the thing about pasta, it's not the enemy, but it's also not a complete meal by itself. Plain pasta is basically pure carbohydrate. Your body breaks it down into sugar pretty quickly. If you eat a bowl of just pasta, no protein, no fiber, no vegetables, you'll get a blood sugar spike, then a crash, and you'll be hungry again in 90 minutes. But if you choose the right type of pasta and build the plate correctly, pasta becomes an affordable, filling, satisfying meal that doesn't drain your wallet or leave you raiding the fridge 2 hours later. So today's framework is simple. Avoid the traps that waste money and don't fill you up, and buy the picks that maximize value and satiety. Let's start with the traps. First category, products that charge you 3 to 5 times more for convenience that you don't actually need. Example 1. Single-serve microwave cups. These seem genius. Just add water, microwave, done. But check the price per ounce. You're often paying $4 to $6 per pound for what's basically instant noodles and powdered cheese. Plus, they're usually sodium bombs. 1 cup can hit 600 to 800 milligrams of sodium, which is a third of your daily limit. Buy a box of regular pasta and batch cook it Sunday night. Store in containers. Heat in 60 seconds. You just saved $40 per month. Trap 2. Refrigerated, ready-to-eat pasta meals. These are in the grab-and-go section near the deli. They're marketed as fresh, but they're often just pasta, plus heavy sauce, plus preservatives. And you're paying $6 to $8 for a portion that costs maybe $1.50 to make at home. If you need grab-and-go, pack your own. Cooked pasta plus jarred sauce plus frozen veggies. Same convenience, a quarter of the price. Trap 3. Frozen pasta dinners. I'm not talking about plain frozen ravioli. That can be fine. I'm talking about the full meals with sauce included. Check the sodium. Many of these hit 900 milligrams to 1,200 milligrams per serving. That's more sodium than a Big Mac. And you're paying $4 to $6 for a meal that's 60% pasta, 30% sauce, and 10% actual protein or vegetables. Keep plain pasta, frozen vegetables, and a protein, canned tuna, rotisserie chicken, beans, on hand. Build your own frozen meal in the same time. Category 2. Products that look healthy but don't actually deliver. Trap 4. Veggie pasta, where vegetables are mostly marketing. Look at the ingredient list. If it says semolina, tomato powder, 2%, spinach powder, 1%, that's not veggie pasta. That's regular pasta with food coloring. You're not getting meaningful fiber or nutrients. You're paying extra for the word veggie on the box. Either buy real legume pasta, where chickpeas or lentils are the first ingredient, or just buy regular pasta and add actual vegetables to your plate. Way more effective. Trap 5. Protein pasta with only a tiny protein boost. Regular pasta has about 7 grams of protein per serving. Some protein pasta has 10 grams. That's a 3-gram difference. You could get the same boost by adding 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. If you want real protein pasta, buy chickpea or lentil pasta. Those have 15 to 20 grams per serving. Otherwise, you're paying extra for marketing. Buy regular pasta. Add a real protein source, chicken, tuna, beans, eggs. Problem solved for less money. Trap 6. Gluten-free pasta when you don't have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. If you need gluten-free, absolutely buy it. But if you don't, you're often paying 2 to 3 times more for pasta that's made from rice or corn flour, which usually has less fiber and protein than regular wheat pasta. It's not healthier unless you have a medical reason to avoid gluten. Stick with regular durum wheat pasta for everyday use. Save money. If you want variety, rotate in whole wheat or legume pasta. Category 3. Products where you're paying for branding, not quality. Trap 7. Artisan pasta in boutique packaging. Some of these are genuinely amazing, handmade in Italy, bronze cut, slow dried. But a lot of them are just regular semolina pasta in a fancy bag, and you're paying $10 for 12 ounces. That's $13 per pound. Regular pasta is $1 to $2 per pound. Ask yourself, is this pasta really 6 times better? Usually, no. Use artisan pasta for special occasions. For weekly dinners, buy a quality store brand semolina pasta for $1.50 per pound. You won't taste a $10 difference. And Trap 8, boxed mac and cheese kits as your go-to meal. I love mac and cheese, but these kits are usually sodium heavy, 600 to 900 milligrams per serving. Low in protein and fiber, so you're hungry fast. And more expensive per serving than making it yourself. Plus, the cheese sauce is often mostly powdered cheese product, vegetable oil, and stabilizers. Buy pasta plus real cheese plus butter. Make a simple cheese sauce. Add protein. Chicken, tuna, beans. It's cheaper, more filling, and tastes better. Alright, I just ruined your pantry. But here are the 5 things you should actually buy. These are affordable, versatile, and they'll keep you full. Pick 1. Store brand semolina pasta. This is your MVP. Check the ingredient list. If it says durum wheat semolina, water, that's it. You're good. You're paying $1 to $1.50 per pound for the exact same base ingredient as the name brands. This is your everyday pasta. Stock up. It's reliable, it cooks well, and it's the best value in the aisle. Pick 2. 100% whole wheat pasta. If you want more fiber and more satiety, this is the move. Whole wheat pasta usually has 6 to 8 grams of fiber per serving versus 2 to 3 grams in regular pasta. That extra fiber slows digestion, keeps you fuller longer, and helps stabilize blood sugar. It's usually only 50 cents to $1 more per box than regular pasta. Worth it if you're trying to feel full on less food. Pick 3. Chickpea or lentil pasta. This is the only protein pasta I recommend because it's actually high in protein. One serving gives you 15 to 20 grams of protein and 8 to 10 grams of fiber. That's a real difference. It's more expensive, usually $3 to $4 per box, but if you're using it as a base for a vegetarian meal, it's worth it. Just make sure the ingredient list is short. Chickpeas or lentils. If there's a bunch of other stuff, pass. Pick 4. Plain frozen stuffed pasta, ravioli, tortellini. These are great for quick meals. Boil for 3 minutes, add marinara and vegetables, done. Just avoid the versions that come with sauce packets. Those jack up the sodium and price. Buy the plain version. Add your own sauce. You control the quality and the sodium. And pick 5 isn't a product, it's a strategy. This is how you turn any pasta into a satisfying, filling meal. This formula works with any pasta. It keeps you full for hours because you've got fiber from the vegetables, protein to stabilize blood sugar, and the pasta for energy. And here's the budget hack. Frozen vegetables are just as nutritious as fresh, they're cheaper, and they don't go bad. Keep a bag of broccoli and a bag of spinach in your freezer. Game over. Here's your 30-second pasta strategy. Do this and you'll save $30 to $50 per month on pasta and actually stay full. Next episode, yogurt. And this one's wild, because the healthy yogurt aisle is full of products that have more sugar than ice cream. Comment below with your store: Walmart, Target, Costco, Kroger, Trader Joe's, so I can use brands you actually see. And tell me, what's your go-to pasta brand? Let me know if I missed it. If this helped, hit subscribe. I'm breaking down every aisle in the grocery store, so you stop wasting money on products that don't deliver. See you in the next one.